Do you know what an open house looks like in 2026? In this digital era, the best ones look more like a tech event than a Sunday showing. Today's open houses aren't just about fresh cookies and open doors. They're about data. Every visitor scan, click, and question helps agents understand what buyers actually want in real time. It's no longer just about who walks in. It's about who engages. In 2019, agents sold homes through charm. In 2025, they sell with strategy. From AI-powered follow-ups to virtual reality tours that attract buyers across states, the new open house doesn't end when the door closes. It continues online, in your inbox, and in your data footprint. If you're a seller, your open house is your first ad campaign. If you're a buyer, it's your chance to preview not just the home, but how the agent markets it. The best listings now tell a story before you ever walk in. The open house is evolving. The question is, are you? Subscribe to Sell the Dwell for more insider insights into how real estate is changing in 2025 and beyond.